Welcome to Yo-Yo Kids Tube. Let's unlock your learning superpowers.
Hello kids, in this video, we will learn about 50 most famous food items. Burger. This is a burger. A burger is yummy and round. Pizza. This is a pizza. Pizza has cheese and toppings. Sandwich. This is a sandwich. A sandwich has bread and filling. Hot dog. This is a hot dog. It has sausage and bread. French fries. These are French fries. They are crispy and salty. Popcorn. This is popcorn. Popcorn is fluffy and crunchy. Donut. This is a donut. Donuts are sweet and round. Chocolate. This is chocolate. Chocolate is sweet and yummy. Cake. This is a cake. Cakes are soft and sweet. Bread. This is bread. Bread is soft and tasty. Ice cream. This is ice cream. Ice cream is cold and tasty. Butter. This is butter. Butter is smooth and creamy. Egg. This is an egg. Eggs are white outside and yellow inside. Cheese. This is cheese. Cheese is soft and yellow. Rice. This is rice. Rice is white and small. Pasta. This is pasta. Pasta comes in many shapes. Noodles. These are noodles. Noodles are long and tasty. Soup. This is soup. Soup is warm and healthy. Milk. This is milk. Milk is white and healthy. Yogurt. This is yogurt. Yogurt is soft and creamy. Candy. This is candy. Candy is sweet and colorful. Cookie. This is a cookie. Cookies are crunchy and sweet. Jelly. This is jelly. Jelly is wobbly and sweet. Cupcake. This is a cupcake. Cupcakes are small and yummy. Pancake. This is a pancake. Pancakes are flat and soft. Brownie. This is a brownie. Brownies are chocolate cakes. Waffle. This is a waffle. Waffles are crunchy and tasty. Muffin. This is a muffin. Muffins are soft and sweet. Pudding. This is pudding. Pudding is soft and creamy. Ice lolly. This is an ice lolly. It is cold and sweet. Beef. This is beef. Beef is red meat. Chicken. This is chicken. Chicken is tasty meat. Fish. This is fish. Fish is healthy food. Prawns. These are prawns. Prawns are small and tasty. Crab. This is a crab. Crab is a seafood. Lamb. This is lamb. Lamb is red meat. Sausage, this is sausage. Sausages are long and tasty. Bacon, this is bacon. Bacon is crispy meat. Ham, this is ham. Ham is pink meat. Sushi, this is sushi. Sushi is rice with fish. Omelette, this is an omelette. Omelets are made with eggs.